In this slide, we're going to learn how to predict the hybridization of IF7 iodine heptafluoride sp3d3. It is pentagonal bipyramidal. What will be the shape? We'll see that. Okay, great. Let us start the hybridization discussion. IF7 hybridization. What could be the hybridization? Iodine, ground state, 5s5p, 2 electrons. Once again, 5p, you will have 5 electrons, no doubt. 5d vacant. Next, iodine, first excited state. FES is what? First excited state. S remains undisturbed. The first excited state, 1 electron will jump here. I'm sorry. Next one, iodine, second excited state. One more electron will go here. Last is what? Third excited state. Third excited state. S will go to D. Therefore, now what you have, you see, third excited state. Last one is iodine, IF7 molecule is forming. Each first will fill each electrons, 1 electron in each box. So for iodine we'll put orange color, okay, different color. Sorry, fluorine will put one color. Fluorine, 1 electron, 1. Second orbital, second. Third orbital, third electron. Fourth orbital, fourth electron, fourth fluorine, fifth electron, sixth fluorine, sixth electron, seventh fluorine, seventh electron. Therefore, yes, P3, 1, 2, 3, P3, D1, D2, D3, D3, sp3, D3. What is this? This is called exact pentagonal bipyramidal, which we will discuss in the next video. The shape, related to the shape I'll draw here, no problem, let it be over. So draw a pentagon. This could be a pentagon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So iodine in the center, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bipyramidal. One more F, one more F. Therefore it is pentagonal bipyramidal geometry. Great. Okay. Fine.